Hey guys, Eric from Loyal Lab Electric and Generators here in Somersworth, New Hampshire, and today we are on site. So as you can see, Justin's here today. We're in a customer's basement in Somersworth. When a lot of homes are built, this home's only a couple years old, and one thing that is often overlooked is adding adequate outlets in the basement. Usually you may just have one or two outlets right next to your panel, maybe for a sump pump, but here in New England, people use their basements for all kinds of different things, whether that's a home gym, a workshop, all sorts of different spaces that need different outlets. So that's one thing that we help a lot of customers do, is get some general purpose outlets in their basement, and that's exactly what they're doing here today. So like I said, we're in a basement, so there's a couple things we have to keep in mind. Any place like a basement, bathroom, or garage needs to be GFCI protected. In this case, I think we're going to put a GFCI breaker instead of a GFCI outlet because the panel's right here in the basement. It's the easiest way to protect the whole entire circuit. You don't have to worry about wiring each outlet the correct way. So one breaker covers the whole circuit. So one of the other challenges we have in basement is obviously all the insulation. You can see here we had to pull some of the netting down to pull the insulation down so we could run the wiring. But when we're all done, we'll go tack that back up and you'll never be able to tell we were up there. So now let's go check out Ben. He's over by the panel, and this is a different kind of panel we've never done a video on, so let's go check it out. Like I said, this is a different style panel than we usually install. We didn't actually install this one, it was already here. But this is a Leviton main breaker panel. You can see it looks way different than what you're probably used to seeing at your home. They've been around for probably the last 3 to 5 years. They're becoming increasingly more popular. We're gonna post a dedicated video later on that will go over some of the major differences and some things that we like about them and some things that we don't like about them. But for now, I just wanted you to see what you may have in your home. Another important thing to remember, and that we're doing one here too, is they do make a generator interlock bracket for these too. So if you have one of these panels, you can still get a generator interlock just like you've seen us install time and time again. While we're here, I want to go over one of the things that I dislike the most about them, and it's strictly an aesthetic thing. For years, we've been training our customers how to reset circuit breakers, turn them all the way off, turn them all the way on, and for the most part, all circuit breakers look the same. These ones switched it up a little bit. The theory is still the same. When they trip, you turn them all the way off and all the way back on, but now instead of the toggle switch style that you're used to seeing, it's a rocker switch, and that's honestly a little bit confusing for customers, especially people that haven't had to reset very many circuit breakers in their life. So it sounds like a small thing, and it really is, but it just creates another pain point for our customers. All right, so thanks for coming along with us today. I hope you found some of this stuff helpful, and as always, keep watching for more videos like this.